Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your love and all your support, and hope you guys are having a safe time at home. And yeah, I was also busy this weekend going and getting groceries for this particular week, getting prepared and getting all things ready, and also cleaning the house and all new habits of cooking and all that. So yeah, I also made a transition video with mom, so if you want you can have a check on my Instagram if you have not yet seen that, or else in Facebook or Instagram you can have a check whenever you're free. So today we are going to talk 10 tips for intraday trading or day trading for beginners. So this particular, I have so many tips for you guys, but in this particular video we will talk basic 10 tips which you can start working on. Write it down in a paper and one by one you start working, because it may take a lot of time to work on each and everything, but work on these things, it will definitely make you a better trader. So by saying that, the first one is going to be choose a trending stock or a liquid stock. Yes, this is very important because a lot of people I see, beginners who come into intraday trading, we will try to take a better stock. When I say better stock, let's say a long-term company, like for example, let's say Reliance. Reliance is a good company. So now you will say Reliance is a good company, I'm going to apply my strategy always on Reliance. It will not help like that. If you back test and see, okay, it may help you. But remember, you don't know what is tomorrow. So every day it's a different scenario. So always take a trending stock or a liquid stock. When I say trending or liquid stock, basically where people are investing more, where people are trading today. Okay, tomorrow it may be a different stock. So totally different type of picking. So start picking a trending stock or a liquid stock. The number 2 on my list is fix your entry and fix your exit. Yes, very important. Now, few people after picking a trending stock, they don't know where to enter. As soon as you get your stock, you get excited and you go enter into the stock. No, you should have a proper entry. What is your entry? Is it some indicator or is it some breakout? What is your strategy of entry? Is it some stochastic is giving you a signal or RSI? So based on that, have a fixed point of entry. Just don't go with the flow that today I will do whatever entry I want. That may become a flop. Always use your back tested entry, which is more successful for you. So have a proper entry plan and then exit. What is exit? Basically your target. So now for example, I say for beginners 0.3% is an exit. So you can decide your target which is good for you, maybe 0.5, 1%. It's not 30 paisa, okay, it is percentage. Many have this doubt, what is this only 0.3? It is percentage. So for example, for 100 rupees it is 30 paisa, for 1000 rupees the target is 3 rupees, for 10,000 the target may be 30 rupees. So based on the stock value, your 0.3% varies. So you can fix your target so that you don't deviate from it and you don't get lost in the market. Or else what will happen, it is more like we are getting lost in the market, like going into the desert or forest. You don't even know which direction to go, here or there, so you get lost. Same thing will happen in the stock market. When the stock trade starts, your mind will go blank. So automatically have a proper entry point where you're going to enter, follow the rule. What is your exit? Follow the rule so that you don't get deviated. So point number 3 is avoid big losses. Now what do I mean by this? So imagine you have learned a lot and finally you have started trading small and everything you went and your accuracy has gone 80-90%. And that is when you should understand, whenever you see a loss, learn to book your losses. Don't make it big. So let's say you're taking a risk on a trade, let's say 5% of a capital or maybe 10% of a capital. Considering it's intraday, you're taking leverage, so 5 to 10% is an easy risk. So you're taking this particular risk in intraday trading. But what will happen? For example, a successful trader may have 8 trades good, 2 trades bad. Okay, so he knows he will make 1 or 2 trades wrong. But in that 1 or 2 trades, if you lose 50% to 60% of a capital, if you keep waiting, loss, and that one trade will become big loss, right? So learn to avoid these big losses so that you know your experience. At least maybe 1 or 2 trades may go wrong against me. So you will book that small trades like 5% or 10% loss in such a way that tomorrow when you trade, you know that you can come better and overcome in 3-4 trades. So avoid that big losses, start booking your losses and avoid it. Point number 4, avoid these rumors. Yes, you would have seen that in your office or your friends in your WhatsApp. They say that this particular company is having a good news which will come out today, or there is something going to happen, so invest today, buy today this stock, short this stock today, it will fall. All these rumors, don't believe in that until and unless you research. Maybe what they told is something which you're thinking from one side of the book, maybe the other part of the story they don't know. So you would have seen, as soon as a news come, a good news come, maybe the stock may fall also. So don't trade based on rumors, just avoid such issues. Point number 5 is staying up to date. So what do I mean by staying up to date is nothing but, check out the news in the app. Let's say Money Control or your Zerodha, you have events option. Check out if there is any events coming today, what's happening in the market, and be up to date of what's happening in the situation. Now, for example, market trend keeps changing. So if you're not trading every day or every week, then you will not know. So 3 months back, the market was going normal and smooth. You see small percentage of movement, and now you see the volatility has gone to next level. The market is going 5%, 10%, stocks are going 15-20% up and down also. So the market changes. So if you are not up to date, you will lose the track in intraday trading. So, and also, see, for example, if you're not aware that today after 12 o'clock there is a news going to come, so you will be trading and suddenly your stock falls, then you will say, why did my stock fall? So if you go and check back, the market would have fallen, not just your stock, whole market or whole stocks would have fallen. If you again investigate, there was some bad news which came. Let's say some coronavirus meeting or some announcement is going to come, lockdown is going to come. You should stay up to date by reading before trading, because if you have some news, avoid that particular situation or finish your trade early. Don't hold on that particular day. So staying up to date will definitely help you to avoid those 50% of your lost trades. Point number 6, control your emotions. Yes, emotions is very important in terms of trading, because this is a problem with a lot of people, emotional trading. Okay, so now let's say when I say there are so many aspects to it, so I'll just talk about the greedy factor, also the revenge factor. Now whenever you get a profit, you don't stick on to your target, let's say 0.3%, you will be like, I want more. And what is that more? You don't know. That's the reason I told fix your target before only, because our mind is like that. Once we start seeing something, we need more and more. Okay, so don't be greedy over there. Avoid that greedy factor. If you're doing that, it's greediness, it's all your emotional problem. Fix your target, exit. Same way, revenge trading. Imagine you did 10,000 rupees loss today. Tomorrow, as soon as you trade, your first goal will be like, okay, I want to take my 10,000 back. Today I have to recover my 10,000 back. This will be your way of thinking. But imagine the situation yesterday when you lost money was different. Today is totally different. The movements are different. So today you cannot expect 10% movement. Maybe you may get your 0.3 or 4%, 3% of overall capital. So don't expect that and try to take revenge today. It may not happen. That's when you wait. Even though you got 2-3% profit, you would have not booked. End of the day, you may book your losses, and the losses continues. So avoid these emotional factors. Every day is a new day. Stick to your rule. Avoid those situations. Tip number 7, try to finish your intraday trades by 12 p.m. So why I say this is, I always keep telling this because you would have seen post 12 o'clock, most of the time market falls, market goes up, it reverses. A lot of things happen because most of the news which comes out, financial news and all those news comes after 12 o'clock, or else you see our global markets opening post 12 o'clock. So all those will have a reaction over our Indian market. So you may think everything was going good, my stock was going up, suddenly it fell. Because there is some factor which is affecting the market. So always market will have a risk. So why do you want to take chances? So try avoiding to trade post 12 p.m. Try to finish your one trade maximum, I would say. Try to finish your one trade before 12 p.m. Make it a habit. So if you don't have any option, then you can go for it. So this is an advice for beginners only. If you are an experienced trader, you know how to manage risk, you know how to look at things. So you can do it. But as a beginner, I'm saying avoid trading after 12 p.m. Try to finish your trade before 12 p.m. Point number 8, don't go against the market. So now why I say this is especially for beginners, because you would have seen me also going against the market. So you can go against the market if you're confident, but you should understand there is a risk involved in it, and I am ready that I can take a loss over here, or whoever is doing this going against the market, he's ready to take a loss or he has a plan behind it. But as a beginner, your mind doesn't work in that way. You want profit, that's why you're entering. So try to go with the market. Don't go against the market. Even though your logic fails while you're entering into a market, because of the market movement, your stock will move. That is how you get advantage. So that is a secondary advantage. So don't try to go to against the market, because as soon as the market start going against you, automatically you're going against them. Your stock may not have that advantage. So you need to be very careful while choosing your market direction. So always go with the trend, always go with the market direction. Point number 9, start small. When I say start small for beginners, you would have seen me telling always do paper trading, so that you don't do losses like me and how others have made. So don't lose your money, do paper trading. So now once paper trading is done, the big problem is you get confident, you realize I understand the market now better. It's been 6 months, 1 year, let me start put money. Now when you start putting money, you will try to take all your money which you have in your account, or let me utilize my money, let me make big profits. So people put big monies and they make big losses. So this is how they make big losses. So start investing small. Even though you did paper trading, you're confident, you're better now. Now start putting money in small way. Maybe you're planning to put 10,000. Don't put 10,000, put 500 rupees, put 1,000 rupees, and start trading, because when you start trading with real money, you come up with new issues from yourself, because it's a big challenge to trade, to handle ourselves. So you come up with new problems. Fix those problems, take more time. Once you feel that you are overcoming your psychological problem, your greediness, emotions and all that, that is when you take some time or years and then put a big money. Directly don't take a loan, or don't take from your friend, mommy, daddy or someone and put big amount and thinking I will make off that initial big profits and I will take it out. You will not get out. Once you enter, you can't get out. It's like an addiction. Okay, so put small and see whether you're able to double this money within a year. Okay, within 1 year or 2 years, can you double this money? How much are you losing? Have you lost your 500 rupees? Have you lost to 250? Or let's say if you want to buy any stock, you should have at least, let's say, 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees to buy one stock of some big company, or let's say Reliance company needs some 1200 or something. So see how much is left over. Are you able to double this in 1 year, or this one? What are the lessons learned? Then you can start investing more money. So start small. After paper trading, start very small and see what's going to happen. The last and the 10th point is monitor the market. Yes, now you would have seen me trading my video. I took a trade, I exited. Second trade I took, exited. See how DICE is trading so quickly. So the reality is, before taking a trade, I will watch the market, I will see the situation, I understand the situation, I see the market direction, I see where the levels is, where the risk is, then I choose my stock, then I enter my stock, then only I'll record. I can't do 1 hour video before this, right? So you should understand, before taking a trade, lot of work goes on. Okay, so what is the advantage I will tell you? So when you start monitoring the market, see, initially when you see the market is going up, as soon as you open the app, let me buy off the top gainer stock, he may reverse and go down. Alright, sometimes you may make profit, sometimes you make losses, but wait, look at the situation, observe, is it a gap up, is it a gap down, is it really going up, which is the stock actually going up, which is trending. When you start monitoring the situation, you will avoid those initial excitement trades. Okay, that's how you avoid those loss trades, initial quick trades. Slowly you will decide, today market is going good, let me take a trade soon. Okay, the stock is spiking, let me take it. Today market is actually not moving, it's going sideways, let me not trade today. This is how you will take decisions when you monitor. So whenever you do something, you think twice. They say, right, think twice for a better decision. Same way, give some time, at least 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, watch the market. You will get a proper answer from the market. You get that feel that today it's going good or better. At least you will avoid taking so many trades of loss trade. At least you may reduce yourself. You may do, instead of doing 5 trades, you would have done only 1 trade for the day. You may end up lost, but you would have made only 1 loss. You would have not done 5 losses. So this is how you can become better. So alright, these were the 10 points which I wanted to share with you guys. So these are the 10 tips a lot of beginners can follow. The video is very short, but when you start implementing this in your trading life, it may take some months to years together, but patience is the key over here. So start practicing this. We will learn more and more, how much ever I can. I keep sharing learning videos, advising videos, and all those I will share with you guys. So if you like such type of videos, hit that like button and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.